Hi, in our video this time, we want to talk about speed wax from Dr.Chemist. Speed wax can remove watermark on the surfaces. It has a high gloss finish that makes the surface to shine and become smooth. It is suitable to be used on all colors of car body, chrome and motorcycle. Let's see how to use it. First step, wash the surface until clean. Second step, dry the surface with a clean and dry towel. Third step, put some speed wax on a clean and dry towel and smear it on the surface. Fourth step, rub and scrub speed wax on the surface until desirable results achieved. Fifth step, use the other clean side of the towel to wipe off the residue. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?